equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth for any dust removal. First, make sure your Dyson SV27 is turned off and unplugged from a charger. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the battery compartment on the back of the vacuum. You will see a small panel secured with screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the panel off to expose the battery. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the compartment with your cloth. This will help ensure a good connection with the new battery. Now, you will see the battery connected to the vacuum. To remove it, locate the release tab on the battery. Press down on this tab while gently pulling the battery out. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. With the old battery removed, it's time to install the new one. Align the new battery with the connectors in the compartment. Push it in firmly until you hear a click, indicating it's securely in place. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your vacuum serviced. After the new battery is installed, replace the panel you removed earlier. Align it properly and secure it with the screws using your Phillips screwdriver. Make sure the panel is flush against the vacuum to prevent any dust from entering. Once everything is secured, give your Dyson SV27 a quick wipe down to remove any fingerprints or dust. It's always a good idea to keep your vacuum clean for optimal performance. Now, plug your vacuum back in and allow it to charge fully before using it. This will ensure the new battery is properly conditioned for use. If you encounter any issues during this process, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision without any pressure. In summary, changing the battery on your Dyson SV27 is a straightforward process that can be done with a few simple tools. Always prioritize safety by ensuring the vacuum is off and unplugged before starting. If you need any further assistance, don't hesitate to contact us for help. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.